It's National Science Day commemorating the birthday of the great Indian physicist Dr. C.V. Raman. And what better way to celebrate his birthday than meeting budding engineers at School of Engineering Physics Lab. Come. This is the physics lab of the School of Engineering, which holds a place of pride in the Presidency University campus. We have a group of students here along with their teacher doing an experiment. What is the experiment being done here, sir?
We are performing laser diffraction experiment, madam. In this experiment, we are going to calculate the wavelength of given light. Okay. In this experiment, we are using a grating. Okay. Without grating, you can see light is passing in a straight path. When we are placing a grating, okay, light is diffracting. Using with this diffraction experiment, we are going to calculate the wavelength of the given light. Okay. There are different types of gratings are there. When we pass the light in 100 LPI, the diffraction is like very less. Like if you are changing the grating, okay, you can see the diffraction very clearly. So what it is telling, that when we can observe the good diffraction, the length between the approximate distance between the two lines very small, we can see the diffraction pattern is very easily.
So all these students who are doing the experiment here, how much time do you spend in the physics lab?
So we will have 2 classes of lab. So probably we will be doing firstly the experiment, the recall of the previous thing, and then we go up to the next one. So which we would spend almost like 40 minutes doing in one experiment and writing the records, submitting, and getting corrected, asking why all these things happens in the lab.
So while I'm speaking to this group, there is another group there which is very noisy. What the noise is all about, let me find out quickly before they realize that I have come and their guards go up. What is happening here?
We are preparing for Viva, ma'am.
When is your Viva?
No, ma'am. In this lab. Now only, ma'am. We should go.
Oh, right. Now you're going for the Viva. Oh, so the preparation is going on. All set?
Not really, ma'am.
Not ready. So I shouldn't take much of your time here. Okay, he has told me to go from here. I better leave. So there are a lot of experiments and a lot of smiles too. Hi, what's happening?
We are preparing for the experiment, ma'am.
When have you to do this experiment?
After our Viva questions.
After the Viva questions, all set?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me also talk to the lab instructor. He has a lot on his shoulder to take care of. Let me just speak to him. Hello? Sir, I just want to know what are the kind of equipments you have here in the physics lab, because at any given point of time we have 120 students doing experiments here in the physics lab. It's that huge.
Madam, 23 experiments. Each experiment kit is 23 numbers are there, madam. Suppose laser experiment, 23 kits are there. Hall effect, 3 are there. Stephen's constant, 4 are there. Fermi energy, more than 16 are there. Zener diode, 24 numbers are there. Again, this one, madam, transistor characteristics 23, uniform bending 24, Young's modulus, madam, that is Young's modulus.
So you have all the required equipments, you have everything here?
Yes, madam. No, madam, lab 1, lab 2, madam, 2 labs are there. In one lab 60 members, in other lab 60 members. At a time they will come 60 plus 60, 120 total.
A lot of work in a day?
Yes, madam. Madam, all first year students will take care of that.
Thank you. Let me speak to a research scholar who is helping students here with their assignments. Hi.
Hi, ma'am.
You're a research scholar. You're doing your PhD.
Yeah, ma'am.
And how are you helping these students? You're doing their, you're checking their work.
Yeah, ma'am. I will just assist them, ma'am, regarding the experiment. And if they have any confusion, I will just help them out.
And while you do your own research, what is your topic of research? What is the paper that you're working on?
Like my particular topic is sensing, ma'am. Okay, I have just completed my coursework and I'm about to start my all the synthesis and all.
How do you find the experiments being done here at the physics lab at the School of Engineering, the equipments that we have? How do you rate the whole experience of this physics lab?
Okay, I will rate like 8.5 to 9, ma'am.
That's a very, very good number. She's very generous.
Yeah, ma'am. Like we have good setup, ma'am, and even the students, if we tell them properly, they will do it. And it's good, ma'am. We have a good equipments also. We have like few of them are little advanced. We are good, ma'am.
Thank you.